So how to fix Chrome not opening easily and fast? So first thing you want to do, guys, is go into the search here, search for Chrome, click on your right mouse, click on open file location, click again on your right mouse and open file location, and here it will show you the Google Chrome files, original files. Click on setup metrics, make sure that you have the same files here, and then go back again, click on your right mouse on Chrome and try to open it with run as administrator. If the problem is still not working, then you may have to try the troubleshooter option. If it's not working yet, then click on properties, go to compatibility, enable this run this program option, choose Windows 8, click apply and OK. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe.